Welcome back to this channel. In this channel, I'll be showing you how you can claim a $50 no deposit account that you can use to start trading with, and I'll be showing you how you can get started with this account. All you have to do is just follow me to the end of this video. Make sure you watch it carefully and you listen attentively so you don't miss out on the details on how you can get this account. To get this account, you don't have to make any deposit, you don't have to pay any dime to get this account. The account is totally free. So I'll just be showing you how you can go ahead and claim this account. Before I continue, if you know this is your first time of you coming across this channel, or you have been watching videos from this channel and you are here to subscribe, please do well to subscribe. Subscribing to the channel gives you access to my videos faster than those who have not subscribed, because you get notified when I drop new videos and update on how you can make money online. And also, I would like to greet everybody. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. May this year be a year of greatness and good news. As we enter this 2026, it will be good for us in Jesus' name. So I would like us to take this as an opportunity for us to start a new year with a new goal and achievement. And in this year, I have made up my mind to be dropping videos for you guys often, back to back. I'll be giving you videos so you guys can make money this year. That is my plan for you all, to make money in this year 2026. And also, I would like to appreciate you for all what you have been doing, for following my channels, for liking my videos. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So now let's head to how we can get this account. Now, the next thing you want to do now is to go to the description of the video. You'll be seeing the link there. It will be under get funded here. Once you click on the link, it will take you to my Telegram channel. Once you get there, the first thing you need to do is to click on join. Then you can now go ahead the link to the bonus. So now, after clicking on the link to the bonus, the next thing you want to do is come right to the interface here, and you'll be opening an account with them. This is what you'll be seeing once you want to get the account. For those of us that already have accounts with this particular broker, you can go ahead and log in. And for those of us that don't have an account with them yet, all you need to do now is just come here and click on open live account right here. That's what you're going to be clicking on. You click on open live account. Then after clicking on open live account, this is what you have here. You go ahead and put in your information, your details regarding this account, and after that you click on continue. Then the next thing you'll be doing is to go ahead to go to your personal address information. After that, you click in the details they asked of you, you click on continue. Then your trading account info, you go ahead and click on continue. So in your trading account information, you'll be choosing your USD, your MT5 login, your USD, and you accept all their terms and conditions right here, and you click on submit. After clicking on submit, the next thing they'll be asking you to do is to go ahead and put in your authentication code. That's what you'll be doing. So yeah, all you have to do is just go ahead and go in with your two-factor authentication code. If you don't have the application, the name of the application is authentication app, so you download it. That is where you'll be getting your code from. So go ahead and get your authentication factor code and come back here and paste it. So after doing all of that, then here you are in your account, in your dashboard, as you can see right showing on the screen. So the next thing you want to do now is to go ahead and get the account. All you have to do is just click on this three dash right here. You click on it. Then after clicking on it, you come right here and click on competitions. You click on competition. Then as you can see, we have the one that is in the progress, and it started yesterday. That's the 1st of January, started yesterday. So this is what we are coming here to get. As you can see, the registration ends on the 15th of January, and the competition end on the 30th of January. We have 132 contestants yet, so you still have the chance, you have the opportunity to get this particular account. So the next thing you want to do is agree to the terms and conditions right here. You click on enter competition, as you can see, and here you have entered the competition. So we're going to choose our platform, so we can go ahead and get the account that we use to trade. Then go ahead and click on MT5 platform right here. You click on submit, and as you can see, your submission was successful. Go to competitions, and here we've joined the competition. So now, how do we get our account details for the trade? Account have been credited with the $50 no deposit bonus account that we can use to start trading with. This is our account right here. So now, how do we get our login details? And as you can see right here, for you to get your details that you're using to trade in your MetaTrader 5, all you have to do is just go to your email, and you would have gotten the message that the broker sent to you. That is what you'll be using to trade. Now, shown on the screen is my login details that I'm using to trade in my MetaTrader 5, as you can see here. So all you have to do now is just copy your login details, your login and your password. You copy it, then head to your MetaTrader 5, search for the broker, which is FlexiTrade server. You search for it, put in your login details, then you can go ahead and start trading. So this is me right here in my MetaTrader 5. I'm going to go ahead and search for the broker, which is FlexiTrade. FlexiTrade, as you can see right here, go ahead and click on it. Then after that, put in my login details right here. Then after that, I'll click on login to sign in to my account. And as you can see here, I've been able to get my $50 no deposit bonus account that I can use to start trading with. Head to your trade and you'll be getting your bonus, you'll be getting your account, as you can see here. Then you can just go ahead and click on chat and get started with, or you go ahead and pick on quote to pick the account that you want to trade with, the pairs that you want to use to trade. Then go to chat and get started with. Thank you so much for watching this video. As for the terms and conditions, I'll be dropping it in my Telegram channel. So please do well to join the Telegram channel so you don't miss out. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in my next video. And I would like to greet you guys once again. Happy New Year. Welcome to the year 2026.